Welcome back to Hidden Wisdom Academy Biology. We've learned how connective tissue holds the body together. Now, it's time for muscular and nervous tissues, the body's power and control systems. Muscles help with movement, posture, and heat production. Nervous tissue controls and coordinates every action. In this lecture, we'll explore their structure, types, and examine important points to see how your body moves, reacts, and thinks. Also, check out our biology podcast for quick revision. So, without further ado, let's get started. As always, in this slide you can see the syllabus and PYQ topics with their years, so you get to know what to expect in your exams. Let's explore the muscular tissue, the true engine of body movement. These tissues contain contractile proteins such as actin and myosin, that convert ATP into movement. They show four main properties: contractility, excitability, extensibility, and elasticity, or simply remember CEE. Muscular tissue is classified into three types. Skeletal muscles such as voluntary, striated, and attached to bones for quick movement. Smooth muscles such as involuntary, non-striated, found in walls of hollow organs, contracting slowly, and cardiac muscles such as involuntary, striated, branched, and connected by intercalated discs for rhythmic heartbeats. Now let's look closely at the skeletal muscle, also known as the striated or voluntary muscle. These muscles are attached to bones and are under our conscious control, helping us move, maintain posture, and even generate heat. Each muscle fiber is long, cylindrical, and multinucleate, surrounded by the sarcolemma and filled with myofibrils, threads of actin and myosin filaments. These filaments are arranged in repeating units called sarcomeres, which give the muscle its striated appearance. During contraction, the actin filaments slide over myosin, bringing Z-lines closer. This is the sliding filament theory. Remember, A-band remains constant, but I-band shortens as the muscle contracts. Let's learn about smooth muscle tissue. Smooth muscles are spindle-shaped with one central nucleus and no striations, so they're called non-striated muscles. They are found in walls of internal organs like the stomach, intestine, bladder, and blood vessels. These muscles work involuntarily, which means you cannot control them. Their job is to move food through the gut, peristalsis, control blood flow, and keep internal organs working without you thinking about it. In short, smooth muscles keep your body running quietly from the inside. Now let's look at a very special muscle, the cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscles are found only in the walls of the heart. They are striated like skeletal muscles but involuntary, meaning they work without our control. Each cardiac cell is branched with one or two nuclei and connected by intercalated discs, which help pass signals quickly, so the heart contracts together. They have many mitochondria to provide constant energy since the heart never stops working. These muscles make the heart beat rhythmically, pumping blood all through the body. Let's quickly summarize all three muscular tissues. Skeletal muscles are the ones that help move your body. They are voluntary, striated, and multinucleated. Smooth muscles are the ones that control organs like your stomach and blood vessels. They are non-striated, involuntary, and spindle-shaped. And finally, cardiac muscles, they are striated, involuntary, branched, and connected by intercalated discs. So in one line: skeletal moves you, smooth regulates you, cardiac sustains you. Keep this table handy, it's a conceptual and important one. Now let's explore the nervous tissue, the body's master control and communication system. It carries messages as electrical impulses between the brain, spinal cord, and other body parts. The main cells are neurons, each with a cell body, dendrites, and an axon. Dendrites receive signals, and the axon sends them out, passing impulses in one direction for smooth coordination. Supporting them are neuroglial cells, which protect, nourish, and insulate the neurons. Some neurons have a myelin sheath, a fatty covering that speeds up signal transmission, just like fast internet cables. Let's practice few questions to test your knowledge. Let's move to question 1. Which of the following correctly represents the direction of impulse transmission in a neuron? Option A. From axon to dendrite then to cell body. Option B. From dendrite to axon then to cell body. Option C. From dendrite to cell body then to axon. Option D. From axon to synapse then to dendrite. Explanation. Option A and B is in wrong order. The impulse flows from dendrites to cell body then to axon. That's the correct pathway, unidirectional and precise. So, option C is correct. Option D describes what happens between two neurons, not within one neuron. So, option C is the correct answer, that is from dendrites to cell body then to axon. Now, let's move to question 2. In a neuron, the myelin sheath is formed by Option A. Schwann cells and oligodendrocytes. Option B. Astrocytes and Schwann cells. Option C. Neuroglia and microglia. Option D. Axon and dendrites. Explanation. The myelin sheath is a fatty insulating layer around the axon. In the peripheral nervous system, it's formed by Schwann cells. In the central nervous system, it's formed by oligodendrocytes. So, the correct answer is A. Option B is incorrect because astrocytes give support and nutrition, not insulation. Option C is also incorrect because microglia are immune cells. Option D is also incorrect because axon and dendrites are neuron parts, they don't form the sheath. So, option A is the correct answer, that is in a neuron, the myelin sheath is formed by Schwann cells and oligodendrocytes. Let's wrap up with some quick common mistakes, and how to avoid them. Let's start with muscular tissue. First, don't mix up control types. Skeletal muscles are voluntary, while smooth and cardiac are involuntary. Second, cardiac muscles are striated but involuntary, a favorite NET question. Third, intercalated discs are found only in cardiac muscles, remember that. And lastly, the nucleus position it's peripheral in skeletal, but central in smooth and cardiac muscles. Now for nervous tissue, impulses always flow from dendrite to axon, not the other way around. Neuroglia don't send signals, they support neurons. And make sure you remember which glial cells belong where: Schwann for PNS, oligodendrocytes for CNS. That's it for this lecture on muscular and nervous tissues, the body's power and control systems. You've learned how muscles help you move and how nerves help you think and react, working together in perfect coordination. Keep revising the key differences and try a few PYQs to test your understanding. Up next, we'll move into the world of the earthworm. We'll explore its morphology, body organization, and organ systems, all important for exams. See you in the next lecture.